Hi, we are MBA student of Guangzhou University of Foreign Studies. This is Jackie, reporter of Group sizes. Today we are visiting the company Bestlift. They are specialized in photo frame. Hi, Winnie.
Hi, Jackie.
Could you briefly introduce your company?
Yes. Hi everyone. It's my pleasure to introduce our company for you. Bestlift, established in 2019, a professional manufacturer and exporter. More than 3 years home decorative products in design, development, and production. Bestlift has 3 divisions: R&D and marketing in Gaoming, photo frame plant in Jieyang, and purchasing in Guangzhou. Totally, we have around 52 employees, but achieving annual sales $12 million in 2021. We have received product patent certificates and trademarks. In addition, we meet our high customer satisfaction through our advanced facility and excellent quality control from materials to production. Worth to mention, we have successfully gained the order from Amazon America recently, after 1.5 years negotiation. That is Bestlift. Thank you.
Thanks, Winnie, for the company introduction. Now we have talked with Blair, one of Bestlift founders. Hi, Blair.
Hi, Jackie.
Your company established in 2019, and why you choose to develop the business in Guangdong?
Well, Jackie, I think there's 3 advantages that we choose to do business in Guangdong. And first of all, Guangdong has a long history of international trading. It is more easy to find professionals. And secondly, Guangdong has complete industrial structure and international logistics network. Finally, we think the government departments, especially the custom, they are working high efficiently.
Photo frame is your main product. It looks simple and normal. Why you choose that?
Yes, Jackie. Photo frame is normal and simple, and it is the same in daily life. So, in other words, it has a big potential market. In other words, ML photo frame is more than photo frame. It is multifunctional, versatile. It can transform from photo frame to whiteboard, cardboard, which are widely used in school, in offices. So, the following video will show you the magic of ML photo frame.
Turn your photos, pictures, memos into a stunning photo wall using art mount photo tiles, art mount cork tiles, art mount whiteboards, plastic framed, easy sampling and disassembling. Work well with photo, corkboard, whiteboard, self-hanging tapes, stake and restake, transforming, perfect for home wall decorations, working and study. OEM and ODM design is acceptable. Free samples, ready stock, crucial quality control, certificate providing, delivery tracking providing, art mount, Bestlift self-photo frame branding, representing unique characters of lightweight, versatility, removing, reusability. Contact us for global partnership.
Wonderful videos. And in 2000 of pandemic, there were 13,900 companies bankrupt. How your company survived?
Well, Jackie, I can also see that during the COVID-19, a lot of companies were shut down. But I also believe that the risk comes together with the opportunity. As we can see, obviously, global consumers switches offline shopping to online shopping. So it boosted the development of the e-commerce business. I think it's a good opportunity for foreign trade companies to transform their offline business to online business, selling their products in a new way. At the same time, we are also facing the weakening of the global purchasing power. So it is really important that we can reduce the cost by increasing the efficiency to provide the good quality product at affordable prices.
Yes, I totally agree with you. The good quality and the affordable prices is the way to success. Thank you, Blair. Thank you for your time.
My pleasure.
According to data from the Guangdong Custom, from January to April 2022, Guangdong's import and export were 2.54 trillion yuan, an increase of 1.6% over the same period in 2021, of which export were 1.6 trillion yuan, an increase of 5.1%, and import were 942.83 billion yuan, a decrease of 3.8%. Guangdong's foreign trade industry maintains resilience and potential in the face of adversity. Many developing companies like Bestlift are trying their best to provide good quality product to the world. Out of Guangdong into the world.